this video, I'll show you how you can connect your email, SMS, and phone services in order to start communicating with your customers across multiple mediums. To set up your email, go to Settings, and then Email Services. Here you'll be prompted to boost your email deliverability by creating a dedicated domain, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. First, click Create Dedicated Domain. From this screen, we can enter our domain name. Keep in mind, you need to use a domain that you currently own, along with the subdomain prefix before the domain name itself, just like this example being lc.mydomain.com. Once you've filled in your domain name, go ahead and click Add and Verify. Then you'll be prompted to connect your domain/subdomain by clicking Continue. This screen will then give you the 5 different records that you need to add to your DNS settings in order to set up your domain manually. Accessing your DNS records for your domain will depend on your domain provider, but all you have to do to add these records is click Add Custom Record in your system, then add the type of record, the host, and the required value for each of these. Once we click Verify Records, we'll also be prompted to add additional record, so add this one at the bottom, here now. To finish, we can click Verify Domain in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you should see your dedicated domain here with an SSL issued checkbox. Additionally, you can create custom headers for this email by clicking the 3 dots at the top left-hand side, click Set Headers, enter your from name, and then your from email here. Keep in mind, you must keep the last section of this domain the same as the dedicated domain that you just created, but feel free to change this first section to anything like info, no reply, or reply. Then click Save. Congrats, you've got your email set up and you can now send and receive emails from this email right here. Next, we'll set up our phone services by heading down to Phone Numbers underneath Email Services. To create a number, click Add Number in the top right-hand side of the screen, and then select Add a Phone Number. From here, we can select our country and choose our number based on the area code that we desire. Once you find a number suited for your business, select the radio button and click Proceed to Buy. To accurately send and receive phone calls from this number, be sure to click the 3 dots on the right-hand side of the number itself, click Edit Configuration, and then at a minimum, add your forward calls to number. You can use this as your very own cell phone or another device that you can receive calls to. If you'd like to make a phone call to a contact, navigate to the contact screen, open up the contact card that you would like to make a phone call to, and click the Call Connect button in the top right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll be able to call the number directly from your computer. If you'd like to send an SMS to this contact, navigate down to the Type a Message section, type your message, and click Send. You can also send an SMS to multiple contacts by using the checkboxes on the left-hand side and using the Send SMS action in the top toolbar. We can also send emails to these contacts in the same fashion by either sending them in bulk using the Send Email action or sending an email to a contact directly through the contact card and selecting Email, typing our message, and clicking Send. Just be sure to set your from email as the email that we created earlier in the video. And just like that, we can engage with every one of our contacts across multiple channels, including email, phone, and SMS. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.